Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be hopefully fixing this mirror. So this is a brand new mirror I put on the right hand side, on the driver side. So at the moment I can move it with the button, like I can move the mirror, and the indicator light works, but the puddle light doesn't work underneath, which is under there, and the folding doesn't work on it either. But it is a power folding mirror, as that's what I was bought it as. So I think it's a coding issue, so I'm going to try code it today, see if it works. Hopefully it does, so let's see. Alright guys, so let me switch on the car. Guys, the car's on now. Let's put some lights on. Let me see if I can get OBDEleven out and show you what you have to do. So you need your Bluetooth on. OBDEleven, this one. I don't know if I need to update that or not. Let me know though. You need internet, so I'm just turning on my hotspot, guys. I guess we're connected to internet now, so let's connect to the car. Okay, so the car's on an electric mode at the moment, so which is fine. You don't need to have the engine on. So connecting right now, come on. So I'll just show you. I'll put it in fold now. As you can see, when it's in fold, left side folds, right side doesn't fold. Unfold it, and when the car's off, the puddle lights come on, but this it doesn't work. So I'm guessing it's a coding issue, so we'll have a look now. So we're connected to the car now. Oh, how do you do it? I forgot how you do it. Click there. Wait, yeah, you click there. Control units. You're looking for the driver door, because it's a driver side mirror. And then you want to go for, where's it gone? Coding. Okay, so as you can see, you can enter a new value, so 009692. So as you can see, if you want to add on the folding mirrors, 4096, so you need to add 4000 to the value, 4096 to the value. And the one we need also is ambient mirror illumination, so you want to add that all into the value. So yeah, at the moment it's 692, so I'm guessing it'll have on right hand steering, which is 512, and one of some of these, I guess. I need to double check if it has mirror heating. I'll find out soon, and if not, I'll just add it on. If it doesn't have the element inside, then it's pointless even trying to add it on, because it won't work. So yeah, so the old value is 00692. I've wrote that down because you want to keep a backup of that number just in case you mess anything up. Otherwise your mirror might not work anymore, like the indicator and stuff, and other stuff like the controls on it. So there's your old one. I wrote it down. There's my new one after I added the numbers together. So it's 003, so 3 zeros, 4790. Let's try it out, guys. 3 zeros, 4790. Alright guys, wish me luck. Hold the green button. Coding accepted. There's the new code, guys. Not sure if I have to turn the car off and on, but let's try it. Nothing on this side. Alright, I'm going to switch the car off. Oh, that mirror's still in. That is very odd. Oh, here's a mind of its own. So is the puddle light working? Not 100% sure. Let me switch on the car again. Okay, car's on. Let me try fold it again. No, probably that side's working still. for some reason it doesn't like to come back out though. I don't know if it's on a delay or something. Let me try. Nope, got nothing there. Let me see if the indicator still works. Yeah, indicator still working. What about this side? Yeah, still working. So I'm not 100% sure. I'll double check the figures again with the numbers. Like I'll add it up together again properly, and hopefully we can sort something out. Otherwise, I'm guessing there must be a fault in the actual door, because it was the same issue with the last mirror, where all that stuff was working. There might be an issue with the wiring in the door. Oh well, we'll see anyways. Hopefully the puddle light's working. I can't tell yet until I get outside the car, so we'll have a look when we're outside. But yeah, that's how you do it anyways, guys. Just gonna double check my numbers. So 4096 add, what was the old figure? 692 add, and we're adding the ambient mirror illumination, which is just 2. So just want to add 2. Yeah, 4790. Yeah. So the new one 0004790. That's very odd. Hopefully, I don't know. We'll have a look. Let me see what happens. So when the driver doors stuff, window regulator, heating and folding. Okay, mirror selected. Off, mirror heat and 243. Select that off on. Yeah, so there's some issue with the mirror folding in general, because that takes the piss to come back out. Don't know what that is, what's that about, so I don't know. There's some issue there, but yeah. Otherwise, look, it's very slow, so I don't know. There might be some issue there. But I'll show you the coding on the left side now. So we're looking at the passenger side door. Coding. Okay, so this one has 5046. So 5046. So 4096 folding mirrors installed. Yes, okay. 5000, so another 1000 will be that. Safe motor not installed. 5046. Shall I try that on the other side? Oh, okay. I might try that on the other side. Let's have a look. Driver door 5096 coding. If this works, then that's going to be mad. Let's try anyway. Just remember your old values. Okay, that's been accepted. Nope, nothing there. Let me see if the folding lights come on. Nope. Okay. Alright, let's try. Alright then. Guess I'll just set it back to the 4000, see if the puddle lights at least work. If not, then there's an issue somewhere in this door. And yeah, that's how you do anyway. Alright guys, so the coding did work. It seems there's a problem with the folding on that side only. So the light's working now, the ambient light, but the folding doesn't work. So what can you do, guys? What can you do? Oh well. So yeah, that's how you code it. Yes guys, so anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.